What's up, Bitcoin token holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. My friends, you will be feel very happy after watching this video because in this video I'm talking about the good news of the Bitcoin token. My friends, Bitcoin token price is going to the moon. Bitcoin token price is going to the moon, my friends. Now it is time the BTT token start pumping. So that's a good news for all Bitcoin token holders. My friends, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. The latest price of the BTT token, Bitcoin token is 0.002316 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Bitcoin token. Furthermore, about the TRX token is that you can see here, my friends. You know what? The previous changes of the Bitcoin token is not good. The Bitcoin previous changes is not good, but now from yesterday, from the last 24 hours, the price changes of the TRX is going good. So that's why I'm feeling good. From yesterday the BTT token price is going good. So you know what, I hope that they will continue this pump from a long time after this. My prediction, you know what is my prediction about TRX Bitcoin token? My personal prediction about Bitcoin token is that they will continue this pump for a long time, and especially you know what, my prediction tell us that Bitcoin token will take a huge pump, quick jump in the last of June. In the last of June, there's a lot of possibilities the price of Bitcoin token rise up, increase and jump. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Bitcoin token? Please also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.